Welcome to the ZebraZapps Creating a New Project tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be covering the new project settings and navigation templates. First, press the Create a New Project button on the User Account panel. This will launch the editor in a new browser window. Let's take a look at the Project Settings dialog box. Here we'll enter the new project name, next, we'll select the project level, whether we just want a single event project or a multi-event project. Multi-event projects are available for the Pro and the Pro Plus level accounts. We'll keep this at multi-level event. Here we put in the stage size. We can make the stage size any width or height we want. Let's type in 1024 by 768. Is the size we want. Next, we decide how we want this project to reopen. Do we want it to restart? Do we want it to resume when it's reopened? Or do we want it to have a user choice dialog box where they can select? Now, this functionality only works when we're hooked into an LMS. So just remember that this is LMS functionality only. We have a project notes area where we can type in a description of the project that we're creating, and below that project notes area is the watermark, and we can select the watermark either on the right or the left hand side of the project window. This allows you to control some of the features such as making the project full screen, turning the audio on and off, and these types of functions. On the right-hand side of the dialog box, we have a template selection area. The first default selected template is a blank template. This will always default to a blank project with the stage size that you have specified. We can also look at a few of the different templates that you can open up and use as a starter kit for designing your project. Now, you can scroll through these templates, but let's just take a look at one of the templates. It will give you some information about what the template would look like. Now, these graphics can be modified and changed, and we can change the color and the look, but it gives you kind of a basic understanding of what that project might look like. It gives you an icon that talks about the type of navigation this template has. This one has forward and backward paging. Down below in the description, it gives you a more detailed feature set of what this particular template would do. In this case, we have a page through events with next and previous buttons, navigation. It has as many events as you need. There's a home event, which allows you to take you back to a home event page, and there's also a background master that can be modified, and it has replaceable graphics. So as you look through the templates, you can read those descriptions, and you can see the different types of functionality and the different types of feature sets that those particular templates provide to you. When you want to select a particular template, just click on it. You can see that it turns yellow, and then hit the Create a New Project button to launch that particular template. Or if we go back and select the blank one and hit Create a New Project, that will then create a new editor for that project in a new browser window. This concludes the short tutorial on creating a new project.